Welcome to the MSC Meraviglia. We're going to give you a quick cabin tour of our room, which is a deluxe balcony. We are in cabin number 11133. And you walk into the room. To the right is the bathroom, which we will show you in a little bit. You have a full-length mirror here. And then as you walk in further, on the left-hand side, you have like a desk, sort of makeup station, whatever you need to use it for. There's a stool underneath. You have your mini bar here, which it's locked. You have to request to have it unlocked from your cabin steward. This mini bar is stocked with soft drinks, snacks, alcoholic beverages, which there will be a room charge for. So if you do not want to partake in the minibar, do not have your cabin steward unlock it. Behind us is the closet, which has a safe big enough to hold your passport, your credit cards, cash, things like that. Couple drawers down the bottom. And then on the other side, you have the hanging area. There are some hangers that are provided. And then there's a shelf on the side over here, which you can put a few things. Moving further into the cabin. So let's go into the bathroom. This is the bathroom on the Meraviglia. There is a stand-up shower and it has the glass door. It's a nice size shower, pretty spacious for a cruise ship cabin shower. So it has a handheld shower head. There is shampoo and conditioner that's available. So if you don't want to pack your own, you can use that. I always pack my own. There's some shelves on the side here. There's a rack here for extra towels, the commode, and then the sink. And it's a good size sink. So, and this has your soap dispenser right here. So a nice size room for a balcony cabin. A couch here. This particular couch does not pull out because we're not in a room that can accommodate 3 or 4 passengers. So this is just a couch. Over here is your queen bed. There's nightstands on both sides. This is something nice that I like that MSC provides. They have, it's like a barrier so that when you put your luggage on here to unpack, you're not going to get anything dirty onto the comforter or sheets. These are your beach towels, some information that they give us. And then here is the balcony. It's not a very deep balcony. It's actually kind of shallow. But there's 2 chairs and a little small table. And if you can pan out, here is the Manhattan skyline. Over there is the Brooklyn Bridge. And we are leaving from Brooklyn, and there's the Statue of Liberty. So when we set sail, we'll give you a bird's eye view of that. Please like and subscribe and share this video.
Cat and Mike, the ship set sail on a journey that'll never fail. With the wind in their hair and the sun shining bright, they're dancing on the waves, it feels just right.